If you're on the hunt for a versatile, durable, and healthy frying pan, look no further than this Gotham Steel 5.5 quart sauté pan with lid. This professional-grade cookware piece takes your kitchen experience to the next level, offering superior performance, convenience, and a healthier cooking experience. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this non-stick skillet a must-have for any home chef. Key features: multi-purpose jumbo cooker. Whether you're searing, sautéing, braising, or making delicious pan sauces, this pan does it all. The deep, high-sided design helps contain splatters, keeping your kitchen clean even during high-heat cooking. Healthy, PFOA-free non-stick coating. The Gotham Steel frying pan features a PFOA-free ceramic coating, free from harmful chemicals like lead, cadmium, and PFOS. This gives you peace of mind that your meals are not only delicious, but also safe and eco-friendly. Diamond reinforced surface. With a 3-dice reinforced non-stick coating embedded with real diamonds, this pan delivers unmatched food release. No oil or butter required, reducing calories and providing a healthier cooking method. Plus, the pan's surface is incredibly easy to clean, so you can enjoy cooking without the hassle of scrubbing afterward. Ultra durable and scratch resistant. The coating of this pan is tougher than most, designed to withstand the use of metal utensils, including spatulas, spoons, and even electric beaters. This ensures that your frying pan will last through years of cooking while maintaining its non-stick capabilities. Oven-safe and tempered glass lid. The oven-safe design makes this pan suitable for recipes that transition from stovetop to oven. Plus, the tempered glass lid lets you monitor your food without lifting it, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time while locking in flavors and nutrients. Why choose the Gotham Steel Sauté Pan? When it comes to cookware, the Gotham Steel 5.5 quart sauté pan with lid stands out for several reasons. Quick and even heating. Thanks to its high-quality construction, this pan heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring that your food is cooked consistently, whether you're working with delicate sauces or high-heat dishes like stir-fry. Health-conscious cooking. You can now enjoy cooking without worrying about unhealthy chemicals leaching into your food. The PFOA-free coating means you're avoiding harmful toxins, making it perfect for those who want a healthier lifestyle. Easy cleanup. Forget about spending hours scraping off food residue. With the diamond-reinforced non-stick coating, cleanup is as easy as wiping the surface. It's a game-changer for busy cooks who want to minimize time spent on cleaning. Enhanced durability. The Gotham Steel Sauté Pan is engineered to be scratch-resistant, ensuring it maintains its sleek, functional design over time, even with daily use. What can you cook with the Gotham Steel 5.5 quart sauté pan? This versatile frying pan is perfect for a wide range of recipes. Here are some ideas for getting the most out of your new pan. Searing steak and chicken. Thanks to the pan's high sides and even heat distribution, you can sear your proteins to perfection without worrying about splatters or uneven cooking. Stir-frying vegetables. Whether you're preparing a healthy stir-fry or tossing together a quick veggie meal, the large cooking surface and non-stick properties make it the ideal choice. Making sauces and gravies. The high sides of this pan prevent splashes, making it perfect for simmering sauces or gravies. The non-stick coating ensures nothing sticks to the surface, making cleanup a breeze. Roasting vegetables. You can also use it for roasting vegetables or even making savory frittatas. Why Gotham Steel stands out in the kitchen. Gotham Steel has become a trusted name in cookware, known for its commitment to quality and innovation. The 5.5 quart sauté pan lives up to this reputation, combining durability, non-toxic materials, and exceptional performance. This pan is perfect for health-conscious cooks who want to avoid chemicals like PFOA and PFOS in their kitchen. Busy home chefs looking for durable, easy-to-clean cookware that can handle high heat and busy cooking sessions. Anyone who loves versatile cooking, from sautéing to searing, this pan is an all-in-one tool for a variety of cooking techniques. Why this pan is a must-have in your kitchen. The Gotham Steel 5.5 quart sauté pan with lid is the solution to all your cooking problems. From healthy cooking, without the need for excess fats, to a durable and versatile pan that lasts. With its non-stick surface, PFOA-free coating, and durability, this pan ensures that your cooking experience will be more enjoyable and stress-free. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.